Hello. Discipline and consistency. Guys, this is one project that takes time. The best thing to do is to start small with discipline and being consistent. After some years, let me say 5, total discipline and consistency, I'm not yet there. But after 5 years, it will be very different over here. I show up daily. I work with my time the way I schedule it every day. So that effort, it's all that's needed. If you start big without experience, it's very easy to fail here and you will lose. Start small, experiment, get those small winnings, they compound. You'll be somewhere in a few years' time.